melody. So what is melody? Melody is the horizontal movement in music. When we place the notes in the clef staff, we are already creating a melody. In practice, what we sing in a song is the melody. Yung kinakanta nyo, yung tinutugtog nyo, yan ang melody ng song. Now, the basic structure of melody starts with a staff. The staff is a framework in melody. It is made of 5 parallel horizontal lines with 4 spaces in between. The notes can be placed in the lines or spaces, even above or below the staff. The first drawing shows you the notes that are written in the lines of the staff, and the second drawing are the notes written in the spaces of the staff. Now, if we want to add an extra line above or below, we use ledger lines. Notes can be extended further from the staff by adding ledger lines. This is the short line drawn with the notes. Wala pang tono ang ating mga notes pag nasa staff. But the clef, once drawn, is a musical symbol at the left side of every staff. It indicates the pitch of a note. Magkakaroon na ng pitch o ng tono ang note na dinrawing mo kapag may clef na ito. And it varies depending on the clef that is being used. Commonly, we will be using two kinds of clef, the G clef staff and the F clef. Let's focus more on the G clef. This is the G clef symbol. It is also known as a treble clef. It indicates a melodic range from middle to high register. The pitch of a note can be labeled by letters or by syllables. We're going to use letters. These are the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or what we call solmization, which is yung alam natin na do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now, to make us master the note writing better, we are going to focus on the letter names. So these are the letter names, and remember, there are only 7 letters, musical letters in music. Okay, let's focus first on the line pitches. The line pitches are sequenced from bottom to top, wherein line number 1 is the bottommost staff line, while line number 5 is the topmost line of the staff. These are the letters E, G, B, D, and F, and easily remembered by the phrase E for every, G for good, B for boy, D for does, F for fine. Every good boy does fine. These are the 5 line pitches of the G clef staff. Meanwhile, the space pitches are still sequenced from bottom to top, wherein space number 1 is the bottommost space, and space number 4 is the topmost space. And these are the letters F, A, C, and E. You can easily remember them by spelling the word face, mukha. F, A, C, E. From bottom to top. Again, line pitches. Every good boy does fine from bottom to top. Space pitches. Face from bottom to top. Let us try to name the following notes by using the letter names. The first note is written on line number 5. Which letter is it? Every good boy does fine. The second note is written inside space number 2. Face. The third note is written at line number 4. Every good boy does fine. The fourth note is written on the first line. Every good boy does fine. Let us try to explore the answer of this melody. The first note is letter F, from the last word fine. Every good boy does fine. The second letter is A, face. The third letter or note is D, which is the fourth line. And the first line is E. You spelled the word fade. So the melody is F, A, D, and E. I hope that you'll be able to learn more about the concepts of melody through this lecture, and later you try to answer some exercises. Thank you.